Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by pinpointing the source. Open Task Manager or Process Explorer and sort by CPU and GPU usage to see the culprits. Once identified, update your GPU drivers and Windows to remove software bottlenecks and switch the system power plan to high performance to avoid throttling. Next, close unnecessary background apps and disable non-essential startup programs. Pause antivirus scans during testing so they do not mask real behavior. These steps eliminate most simple causes fast. Once basic fixes are applied, you move into targeted tuning. You can set process affinity and prioritize demanding apps so the CPU schedules cores predictably. Make sure not to starve essential services. Then open GPU control panels and BIOS settings to verify power limits, clock profiles, and XMP memory. Apply conservative tweaks, not extremes. Also manage thermals. Set aggressive fan curves, clean dust, and consider reapplying thermal paste if temperatures remain high, because heat directly forces frequency reduction. You finish by validating every change. Run stress tests and benchmarks while logging temperatures, clock speeds, and voltages to confirm sustained performance gains. Once results are collected, revert any aggressive changes incrementally if you detect instability, documenting each step so you can isolate regressions. If problems persist, perform a clean driver uninstall and reinstall, and, if possible, test the GPU or CPU in another known good system to rule out hardware fault. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.